and she's kind of going through her own little rough spot. So I decided to do a box of sunshine, and that is when you get a box and you fill it with a bunch of yellow things and like sunshine, and you send it to them, and it should brighten their day.
Kind words are the only ones we need to speak. Good vibes in the corner here, but Karanique. Good vibes in the corner here, but Karanique.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Karanique. Welcome back to my channel, Karanique's Corner. Excuse my roughness. Today was a long day, and I decided I wanted to make a quick video before our guest arrives and takes over this room. So I wanted to talk about making a box of sunshine. I noticed that when I was going through my rough patch, and I've kind of been talking about this a lot, but I honestly think we should normalize bad moods, okay? Because everyone's so used to seeing the highlights of everyone's lives on social media and the happy, cheerful moments on YouTube that they forget that everybody else goes through what they go through as well. And I think that also adds to people's depression, not knowing that everyone else goes through it too. So someone that really helped me this week get through my mood was my cousin, and she's kind of going through her own little rough spot. So I decided to do a box of sunshine, and that is when you get a box and you fill it with a bunch of yellow things and like sunshine, and you send it to them, and it should brighten their day. So I'm gonna actually show you guys as I make it, but I wanted to introduce the topic or show you guys what it is right here in my corner. You guys, Cali just informed me that I had chapped lips, and she even popped up with some chapstick for me, so sorry about that intro, about to be looking rough. Thanks, girl, good looking out. Alright, so Cali loves Auntie Shawn. They have a lot of pictures together, so she is gonna be the one helping me put together her box of sunshine. Okay, I actually bought this box at Walmart. Isn't that so crazy that they sell shipping boxes? Like, what? So,
When I was a little kid.
when you were a little kid?
Yeah,
What
when I was 4.
you what?
I loved Auntie Shawn.
You lived with Auntie Shawn?
No.
Oh, you were with Auntie Shawn. You took pictures with her when you were 4, huh? That's true. You're so smart. You remember everything. I went and got some shipping tape while I was there as well, so I can put this box together and it doesn't fall apart. Thanks, Cali. She's so smart and helpful. Oh, let's tape this, girl. Okay, you're holding it right there? Okay, now let's put tape. Okay, you can move your hand now since my hand's right there. And we can do this. Good job, girl. You're such a good helper. Okay, we have our box taped up. Now,
Yes, baby.
we're gonna fill it with things that are yellow because it's a box of sunshine. So I think we should start with this first.
Yes.
Okay, you wanna open that one? I'll open this one. So we're gonna put some of this at the bottom of the box.
I opened mine already.
Okay, you're fast. Put it in together. I'll put mine in first. I'm the winner. Ooh. Isn't this fun? Okay. So now we're gonna put different items in there that are yellow. So we got a bunch of little treats
I will do this one.
that we're gonna like line up. All right, so my camera died, and that's okay because we actually need a bigger box. And since I bought this little box from Walmart, I'm gonna have to switch it over to one of my packages that came in today from Amazon. So that's good, because on the box I want her to think like, what is this on the outside? And you're supposed to like open it, and then it'll be like decorated, and then she'll be surprised. So let's start again. No, not you, Auntie Shawn. We're gonna decorate it though.
kidding.
Oh, she's so funny. Okay. So I'm gonna dump this out and put it in here. Plus we have another package to fit in the bigger box too. So fuzzy paper.
Can I pour that one?
Yeah, go ahead. Good job, girl. Yeah. Okay, so that fits nicely.
I feel.
So, Cali, hand me the things and I'll put them in. Show the camera.
I also need to get one of these for my pocket paper.
I know she likes to use Carmex, so I grabbed a yellow Carmex.
Right?
So I'm gonna do pink and yellow hearts on this side. I'm gonna write a box of sunshine with the yellow sun here to break through those cloudy days with clouds here. Thanks for helping me today, Cali, with this. Okay, that's gonna be a cool sun. I need to draw a circle in the middle so she understands that this is a sun because it's kind of iffy looking. All right.
I'll put it right here so she can see it, the heart. I think we should draw a note on here.
Yeah, I was actually just waiting for her to finish what she was gonna say, and I was gonna tell her we should write a note on the hearts because I was gonna write a note already, but I would think it would be cute if Kelly wrote a note too since she's on home. Okay, so maybe you can go get the pins in my laptop bag and we'll write on the hearts.
Can I get all the colors?
Yes, go ahead, girl. I really don't want red hearts on the box, but Kelly really likes it. And I don't want to break her little heart, so. Hey, come show them the Hulk! Hulk! Told you, we all a little rough today, cause. So Jordan works a lot, and so I didn't have the time because I have all the kids, so I was waiting for him to be able to take me and then watch the kids while I go in and shop real quick. It's just faster and easier to not have to take all the kids. So it was nice to have him off today. And so I decided to film it while I have it too, just to get things done quicker. You know what, maybe I'll make a white circle to go in the middle of the sun so I can like write on it. Okay, so I decorated my little sun and it says, "To Sean, love me, partners in crime forever," because we were PNCs for like high school years and ever. Sean, out of the two of us, is actually like the more craftier one, so I'm sure she would have done this box way cuter. But I'm trying. Ooh, these hearts is looking rough.
No, they're not.
You think they're cute?
Yes.
Thanks. And she's not gonna keep the box, so it's not like that really matters, I feel like. So I'm just gonna tape these bad boys on.
Mommy, can you put this heart?
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna tape the sun over here so that way, yeah, that's a good spot. When they open it, they don't cut it open or rip it open, like rip the sun apart when they're opening the box, because that would totally defeat the whole purpose. Ooh, I'm not liking the way that cloud looks. Let's start over from this side. Because clouds are more like, yeah, like, well, yeah, they're more white, but that's not the point I was trying to make.
What are you making a sunflower?
No, I'm making a cloud.
It looks like a cloud.
I mean, this kind of looks like clouds.
Wait, oh, this one looks like it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
This one's not.
That's what I wanted. To be honest, these clouds look weird as heck, but I'm gonna use them anyways. I'm gonna make this flat one to like kind of offset these weird looking ones. Poor girl, her box is about to look real different. When you're not artistic but you try, that's what happens. You know, wait, I think I might say to break through those stormy days and put a lightning bolt through these clouds so that she actually understands what the heck these things are at the bottom, because they ain't it. So let me see if I can make a lightning bolt. Okay, I'm gonna put some freaking lightning bolts in this mess. Bless her heart. She getting a real I tried type of box. What you doing over there, Kelly?
Nothing.
You know what? I'm gonna make blue raindrops as well.
Wait, what are these?
Lightning bolts.
You know it's supposed to be white?
What is supposed to be white? The lightning bolts?
Yeah.
Maybe in life it's white, but in pictures they usually make them yellow.
What are you giving this to Auntie Sean for?
It's to brighten her day, just to make her happy. It's just for fun. It's just something nice to do. Okay, so I tilt it like this so that you guys can see the box that I'm gonna write on. So here's the sun, here's the storm. I'm gonna write a box of sunshine to help break through the storms. So a box of sunshine to help through the storms. Storms are like stormy days. Stormy days. I feel like I should lift some of the yellow fuzzies out. So a box of sunshine to help you through the storms. Love you, Sean. Alright, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. It was really fun for me to make. I'm actually really excited to ship it off to her. She lives in California, so, you know, kind of far from me. But I wanted to make sure that I did it for her because I'm so thankful for her for just listening to me, hearing me out, not judging me, and making me feel better about the situation, all while going through her own issues in life. And that just really, really meant a lot to me. So I'm thankful for people like that. And I appreciate you all. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. Oh, I really do appreciate you guys. And thanks for always being in my corner.